Think a world where your watch foresees your stress level, alert you to a health hazard, and even substitute your wallet, your car key, and possibly your phone. It may sound futuristic, right? Well, the wearable scene is closer than you could think. Most of us thought wearable technology was just about step counting a few years ago. My first fitness band, it was chunky, monitored my sleep terribly, and its battery barely lasts. But now, what? Smartwatches are basically little computers attached to our wrist. They follow heartbeat, they follow and check your health. They check oxygen levels and even identify heartbeats. And that is only starting. Therefore, where are we heading? Let us investigate wearable technology's future. Trend 1. More intelligent health monitoring. Future smartwatches and fitness trackers will actively examine rather than merely passively gather data. Picture your wearable alerting you hours before a panic attack strikes, forecasting migraines, or spotting early indicators of diabetes. Proactive healthcare of this sort may help to save lives. Quick question: what's the one health feature you want your wristwatch to have? Drop it in the comments. I wonder what matters most to you. Trend 2. Beyond the wrist. Wearables are pulling away from our wrist. Smart rings, AR glasses, even smart clothing are approaching. Picture a shirt that monitors your muscle. Glasses overlay real-time translation as you move, or recovery following a workout. This gadget will fit so naturally into our life. So easy, we won't even consider them as tech. Trend 3. Personalization and integration. Another major jump. Wearables will link everything. They won't only record information. Your watch coordinating with your smartphone. Your fitness band changing your daily calorie objective depending on your stress level. Your AR glasses recommending meditation while your heart rate rises. Future belongs to hyper-personalization. Looking back on that bulky Asian fitness band, I can't help but laugh at our current level of development. Once just a basic step counter, what is now becoming life-saving friend? And we are only just beginning. So tell me, do you believe wearables will eventually supersede cell phones? Or will they always be sidekicks? Share your forecast below. I'm very curious. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned if this video was useful. The wearables industry is just beginning.